Basket is good by J. Mark Malyari.
Christian Manalo.
Passing the ball. Basket is good. That's gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul. Joel Malupito with the steal. Basket for Joel Malupito Raguanera. Welcome again to MIGBL Season 6. We are 8 minutes on the first quarter. Cash Prince versus Otto Quick. Basket is good for JM Makulana. No good on the attempt. Three, J. Mark Malyari. No good on the attempt by Precious Jonna. Basket is good by J. Mark Malyari. No good on the attempt. J. Mark Malyari running fast. Gets that two. Pass is good. Precious Jonna. Basket is good. Basket is good. Precious Jonna with a slam. Pass is good. Three. Basket is good by Junji Halyari. Pressure on that. That's Lastimosa. Carlo Lastimosa. No good on the attempt by Bueno. Basket count. Junji Halyari with the fake and the basket. Fabian. Basket is good for 2 points. Kyle Fabian. Basket is good. Carlo Lastimosa. Back to the ball game. Lastimosa gets the three. Pajarito no good on the attempt. Rebound goes to Pesca. Darwin Leonor for two. And Darwin Leonor again passes to Jeff Aguada. Jeff Aguada gets the two on Carlo Lastimosa. Gennaro Gamboa to Warren Bonifacio. And Pampoyo de Mundo now attempting a three. Gets the three. No good. Paso na ipasok ulit. Basket is good. 2 points by Kyle Fabian. Carlo Lastimosa gets the three. Jonna anticipating that attempt. John Red Seniedo attempts a three. No good. Janero Gamboa. Basket to Janero. No good on the attempt. And now, rebound again for Warren Bonifacio. I think it's a J-Mark Malyari back to Warren. And Warren receives a foul. Joel Gonzalo, that's going to be his second personal foul. And that's the second team foul. Precious Jonah gets the two. Joel Malupito goes inside, attempts the two. BJ Santos goes inside. Basket is good for the layup. BJ Santos. Now the official score is 45-35, still in favor of Cash Prince. J-Mark Malyari gets deflected by Joel Gonzalo. And Joel Malupito. Ooh! Blocked by Joel as well. And Precious Jonah goes inside. Gets deflected by Ballesteros. No good as well, but Jonah still gets the rebound and the basket. And J-Mark Malyari passes to Carlo Ballesteros. Joel Gonzalo, 2 points. Basket 2 for Darwin Lunor. Basket is good for Christian Manalo. Christian Manalo to JM Makulana. And that's going to be a timeout for Cash Prince. Passing it on. Lastimosa goes inside. Stops. Passes the ball. Kaso sa kalaban na pasa. Christian Manalo gets the two. And JM Makulana passes the ball. And again, passed on to Darwin Lunor. Gets the 2 points. Warren Bonifacio gets the 3. Basket is good. 3 points by Christian Pajarito. 3. And the basket is good by John Red Seniedo. Basket is good. That's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul that will be called on Bam Lopez. Decisions of the referee first, of course. So let's see kung ano magiging decision nila dito. So yeah, unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag kay Bam Lopez dito. He will be forced to have a 3-minute sit down. No good on the attempt. Donato Gamboa has the ball, passes it back to Christian Fajarito, and now Carlo Lastimosa gets it too. Rebound on Carlo Lastimosa. Now to Pamboy Raimundo. Basket is good by VJ Santos. Mark Pesca goes inside, no good on the attempt. Rebound by Junji Halyare. Junji goes inside, lays it up, no good. Rebound and a basket for Christian Fajarito. No good on the attempt there by Joel Gonzalo. VJ Santos gets a two. Basket is good by J. Mark Malyari. And that's the end of the third quarter with the official score of 74-69 in favor of Cash Prince with 5 points in the lead. Seniedo. Basket is good, 2 points by J. Mark Malyari, holding the ball for Cash Prince. Basket is good, with a crossover and then shoot from Junji Halyare. Joel Gonzalo. (78-74), hindi naglalayo ang score ng Cash Prince versus Ocho Cuec. We have 4 points in the lead for Cash Prince, and Junji Halyare attempting no good. Foul on Darwin Leno. That's going to be his first personal foul, first team foul. J. Mark Malyari steps back and gets the basket. What a nice fadeaway shot from J. Mark Malyari. J. Mark Malyari gets the basket for 2 points. Penalty na ba sila? Warning sila. And Junji Halyare gets the 3 and a foul. Boss Mac, tayo namang vape juice. Vape juice. Passing it on to Jay Maculana. Joel Malupito with the steal. Steal again. Basket for Joel Malupito Rabanera! Hintay ng mga tao sa Marikina Sports Center. Basket is good for 2 points by Christian Manalo. No good on the attempt by Junji Halyare. Basket is good, 2 points. Precious Jonah attempts the 3. No good. Rebound. J. Mark Malyari passes the ball. Uy! Naipasa kay Jared Seniedo. Junji Halyare with a steal. Jared Seniedo again with a steal as well. Jared going fast, passing the ball to Christian Manalo. Christian Manalo attempts the 3, no good. Jason Ballesteros with a rebound. Fast break to Junji. Junji gets the basket, 2 points. And this is going to be a timeout for Otto Quick. We're going to go back to the ball game. Jonathan Seniedo. Basket is good for 2 points. And now here go down Christian Manalo. Passing the ball by Janred Seniedo. Junji Halyare from Joel Gonzalo. Back again to Joel. Basket is found. Bam Lopez passing the ball to Christian Fajarito. No good on the attempt. Rebound goes to Joel Gonzalo. Basket is good for 2 points by Christian Manalo. And here comes the last 2 minutes. By Christian Fajarito. 99-90 is the official score with 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining on the 4th quarter. Christian Manalo again with the 2 points. Junji to Bam Lopez. No good. But Warren gets the rebound, but no good on the attempt. Junji Halyare gets a 2. Moya gets deflected by Joel Gonzalo. Basket is good too. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Muli ako ang inyong live stream commentator, Lance Bismanos aka Sir Vlogs. See you next week on the next MIGBL Season 6. #Bakbakana.